in between is kind of removed. Ideally, this is not a presentation session at all. So this is a session wherein all of you and all the three of us together would do some hands-on stuff. Typically, I promote a lot of creative thinking methodologies within my work. Presently, I am taking care of a small group within Mahindra Satyam called User Experience Management. Typically, we end up designing quite a few portals, very serious looking portals, or maybe media kind of portals. One of the recent Indian launches was India Times Movies. So the portal is called as Movie Curry. Interestingly, the kind of work we have been doing is very interesting. And on one side, this is something I keep on talking about almost in a lot of my presentations. My research area is towards the value of information. So how is there a possibility to probably categorize information into number of ways? There are a number of ways people are talking about. I have visualized a kind of a virtual scale wherein I am saying this side is serious information and this side is entertainment. Do they sound like opposites of each other? Definitely. So the kind of portals, the kind of products, IT products and otherwise, maybe automobiles, things like that, I could probably place them onto this virtual scale. If at all I am designing a cockpit of maybe a fighter plane, the design category would fall extremely over here, very, very serious. So the category I would probably categorize as life saving. So very, very essential for the life. The central portion probably would be occupied by a piece of information which is more towards life supporting. So maybe your banking application, maybe your railway reservation, or maybe looking at the kind of business all of us are talking about, it could be the vehicle design, things like that. On the right hand side, it is more towards the media and entertainment. The extreme right would be more towards the entertainment, right? So all these games, the physical games, maybe the IPL, the way it is seen and talked about, gossiped about, movies will probably fall on this particular section. Lately what is happening is, in last almost 4 years of my experience talking to a lot of customers which are maybe Fortune 500, Fortune 10 companies across the globe, most of these solutions are extremely serious in nature and actually the applications fall into this section. So for example, we were designing an application which was more of an intranet design. So intranet design for a very serious working community, 3,000 people across the globe. They were working in some financial areas and we added a couple of features from this sector, in that serious portal. The portal was primarily talking about increasing the efficiency of the employees, whereas we added a very simple feature. We added a feature which was extremely from this side. The feature was very simple. I mean, the local canteen owner will push some information on that portal, which is what will be the probable menu for tomorrow. So tomorrow you might get A, B, C, and the employees are supposed to vote on either of the thing. There was a lot of resistance from some part of the senior management. Some part of the senior management said, wow, that's a good feature. And we could push our idea and yes, that was kind of implemented. So in the first month itself, actually in the first week itself, number of people coming to the intranet site multiplied by about 25 times. So one person was visiting earlier, 25 people started visiting there. So the beauty over here of this particular scale is, though I am talking about these extremely serious applications, products or services, if at all I can move in some element which is immersive, more interesting, which goes extremely towards entertainment, it adds a lot of value to the application. Right? You guys must be designing quite a few applications in TechMinder. Anyway, so the context of today is, it's more of an experiment all the three of us are trying. So this is where actually I consider all of you guys as one of the most creative guys. I trust that everybody has a lot of creativity within one's own heart and brain. It just needs a bit of push. It just needs the proper methodology to move in and all of us join hands and come up with something fabulous. So that's the one line I could probably explain the way we are going to conduct this session. It's completely open. I believe, Mayuresh? Yeah.
Yeah, actually after he explained a lot of jargon which was towards entertainment and technology, I'm here just to infuse fun into all of that. I'm trying to understand whether the medium that you're going to use, which I'm going to make you use, are you comfortable with that medium? And I know you're using a lot of technology, but are you really comfortable with your own body? Because that's what you are born with. So once you are actually connected body and mind, that's the sense that we're trying to create. So I'm going to just superimpose theater on technology. And I'm going to give you some little exercises. And we're going to just have fun going through this. So let me just tell you what I do. I'm an architect. And I deal in spaces. So I think spaces are large spaces which I design, maybe corporate buildings and plazas and stuff like that, or they are virtual spaces. You're doing those things. I think all of this space generally is in your mind. I'm just trying to expand the mind. What binds us is only ourselves. So I'm just trying to, take you from the micro to the macro level. So that's what I'm planning to do. It's not about telling you, it's about doing it with you.
I think we can just start the session anyway.
Yeah.
So
Please.
the only thing is that what I'm going to talk about is like Mayuresh said, the fun. And Mayuresh talked about mixing theatre with this thing. But I'm going to talk about the theory of fun. I mean the background of fun. And what are the games basically. So I think we can just start.
Yeah. So we start with an initial level of this interaction, loss of inhibitions, start of use of body. So I would want you, actually this is going to be very interactive. So why don't you just stand up, keep your chair aside, you can stack them up. I just need a little space here. So let's do it again. Let's do it again. Okay. You can stop, breathe, go in, go up, down, whatever. And don't start with at this level, otherwise you won't be able to fall. So let's do it. Okay. Okay. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to shout out your name. Okay. We don't know each other. So let's start with you telling me who you are. Just your first name. Okay, go.
Rohit.
Me.
I
didn't hear you.
Rohit. Rohit. Rohit.
Shout!
Rohit.
Shout!
Rohit.
Okay. Mihir. I'll come back to you.
Farooq. Farooq. Farooq.
Shout!
Farooq.
Okay. Abhimanyu. See, wait a minute. When I tell you to do it again, it's not shout louder than him. It's louder than what you did earlier. Okay. Abhimanyu.